Computers are essential tools in our daily lives, powering everything from communication to complex calculations. However, have you ever wondered how these machines function so efficiently and what type of power they need to operate their electronic components? Let's explore this topic by answering an interesting question. The question is, which type of power do computers require to power their electronic components and to represent data and instructions? And the options are direct current DC, alternating current AC, idle circuit, voltage regulated current VRC. Friends, now let's explore each option and find out the correct answer. Direct current DC. Computers require direct current to power their electronic components. DC flows in one direction and provides a stable and consistent voltage, which is essential for sensitive computer circuits. Power supplies in computers convert alternating current, that is AC, from the wall outlet into DC to ensure proper functioning of the hardware, including the processor, memory, and storage devices. Alternating current AC. AC is the type of power supplied to homes and offices. It alternates direction and is efficient for long distance power transmission. However, computers cannot directly use AC because their electronic components require a steady and unidirectional flow of electricity, which AC cannot provide. Idle circuit. This is not a type of power, but rather a state in which a circuit is inactive or consuming minimal power. While power-saving features are important in modern computers, this option is irrelevant to the question about the type of power required to operate electronic components. Voltage regulated current VRC. Although computers require regulated voltage to function properly, VRC is not a specific type of power. The regulation of voltage is achieved through components like the power supply and voltage regulators, but the underlying type of power used is still DC. So, the correct answer is direct current, that is DC. Computers rely on DC power to operate their sensitive electronic components. The power supply unit in a computer plays a critical role in converting AC from the mains into DC. This ensures that the computer's hardware gets the consistent and stable electricity it needs to process data and run instructions smoothly. Understanding this concept helps us to appreciate how electricity is tailored to meet the needs of complex digital devices like computers. Friends, you can learn more about this topic in your MSc IT book in detail.